Hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I share tips and tricks for learning English in fun and practical ways. In today's video, I'll show you my daily routine for learning English and how you can create your own routine to improve step by step. Trust me, these methods really work. Let's dive in. I start my day with something simple. As I prepare my breakfast, I listen to an English podcast or a motivational video in English. My favorites are topics like success stories or travel adventures. It's a great way to wake up my brain and expose myself to natural English accents. After listening, I grab my notebook and write down at least 3 to 5 new words or phrases. Then I try to use them in sentences throughout the day. For example, if I learn the phrase, "take it with a grain of salt," I'll practice using it when talking about something I don't fully believe. During my lunch break, I focus on active learning. This includes grammar practice and improving my vocabulary. I use apps like Duolingo, Memrise, or HelloTalk to connect with native speakers. These apps are fun and keep me motivated. Sometimes, I watch a 5-minute YouTube video about a topic I love, like science or cooking, but I do it differently. First, I watch it with subtitles to understand everything. Then, I watch it again without subtitles to test myself. This builds my listening skills. In the afternoon, I take 10 minutes to practice speaking. I pick a topic and talk about it for 2 to 3 minutes, either in front of a mirror or while recording myself. For example, I might describe my favorite meal or explain what I did yesterday. Another tip: use your phone's voice-to-text feature. Speak a sentence and see if it recognizes your words correctly. If not, work on your pronunciation until it does. In the evening, I relax with an English movie, TV series, or even YouTube channels. Watching with subtitles helps me understand the dialogue and learn new expressions. Shows like Friends or The Big Bang Theory are great for casual, everyday English. I also love reading. If a novel feels too difficult, I read short articles or children's books. They are simple but still improve my vocabulary and comprehension. Before I go to bed, I review the new words and phrases I learned that day. I say them out loud and use them in new sentences. I also set small goals for the next day, like learning 3 new idioms or practicing a specific grammar rule. Here are some extra tips for your daily routine. 1. Label items around your home. Write English names for objects like mirror, door, or lamp. 2. Think in English. Throughout the day, try to think about your actions in English. For example, I am making tea. 3. Join online groups. Join English-speaking forums or social media groups. Engage in discussions to improve your writing and reading skills. 4. Reward yourself. Celebrate small wins like completing a quiz or speaking for 5 minutes without stopping. Remember, learning English is like planting a tree. Water it every day, and soon you'll see it grow. Stay patient, stay curious, and don't give up. Mistakes are part of the journey, so embrace them. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, tell me in the comments, what's your favorite way to learn English? I'd love to hear your ideas. See you in the next video.